Hi and welcome back, guys. Today is a really bad day for me, as you have already seen on the thumbnail. But first of all, I still want to say thank you for everybody that came back to watch this video. If you enjoy this content, please leave a like. I need it really today. Subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. That you will never miss these important updates. But I want to first talk about our sponsor for today. So today's sponsor is PrimeXBT, a copy trading platform. And when you log into this platform, this is how it actually looks like. And on the PrimeXBT, what makes it really special, there you can actually copy trades from other people. Also my trades. Once the market is showing signs that it wants to return to the upside and it has hit the bottom, then I will open a trade on PrimeXBT. And if you click on copy trading, there you just need to click here on follow when you see AMCrypto, and you can directly follow the trade. And if you use my code AMCrypto, you get up to $7,000 in bonuses after you have deposited some money here on PrimeXBT. So definitely check out this platform. You have always also here the possibility to check your portfolio, and you can set up also your own strategies, which is really nice. So here you see AMCrypto Army. I was here already last year, 200% roughly in a profit, so definitely don't miss out on this. We can make a lot of money here together once I'm returning to trading after the markets have settled. But now let's get into the content, guys. So yes, I have lost almost $2 million today, and that is because of obviously Luna. Everybody is talking about this. And you can see here, after we broke basically this support line, it went to shit, so let's be honest here, that's what happened. That was mainly caused because the UST pair collapsed, and that is obviously correlated to Luna as their driving coin. And it lost over 50% in value, and that had also an effect here directly on Luna, and that's why we saw this massive move to the downside. And I definitely stay away from Luna. I'm not taking any positions here. I keep my Luna that I have because I believe there will be at some point a bounce back to the upside. I don't care if I have to hold it for a year or two. If I have to, but I'm not selling diamond hands, but yeah, obviously right now it's really bad. Something like this obviously makes me sad, but it's you have to understand, it's only a small part of my portfolio. It's not like a major part of my portfolio. It makes out a really small percentage, and that is also key when you invest into crypto, that you don't invest everything here into one project. I know a lot of people have actually invested a lot in Luna in the last couple of months, especially when it went here over $100. But yeah, you see that sometimes things like that can happen. Everything is possible in crypto. So for now, I believe we see a small bounce right now, but if that is sustainable, we still have to see this. When we look here at the volume, this is crazy. So here on the daily volume, this is insane. Look at this. This is the biggest volume candle ever for Luna. Everything else here is dwarfing against this. Yeah, so I really have to see what's happening here. So that is not a good moment to take here a position. I also want to talk a little bit about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now here on the 4-hourly chart starting to consolidate here to the side. And we saw here just a really nice bounce back to the upside by getting really close here to the $29,000 level. So you see here, based on the Fibonacci retracement levels, we could actually reach the 2.618. It is right now a possibility that we go all the way down to $28,300, even though we don't like that that we go that low. But it will give you a great opportunity to accumulate Bitcoin at a really cheap discount rate. And that's actually what I'm also doing with the cash that I have on the side, that I dollar cost average now into Bitcoin for the next massive run to the upside. But we should be obviously honest here, that looks like bear market right now. So unless we see here out of this consolidation a big move here back at least to $33,000, $35,000 in that range. We have to be prepared for this, that we can actually go lower here in the immediate short term at least. Also here we should have a look here on the volume. Biggest volume candle by far for a really long time. So what I would like to see is that this candle actually turns green and we go up, and also the volume candle turns into green. That would be a really bullish sign here on the 4-hourly chart, but I'm not so sure that this is actually something that's going to happen. So here, however, on the daily chart there, it doesn't look that bad because we are holding here our range that I was talking yesterday about. And also when we look back here, I told you guys it is a possibility that we consolidate here in this range and then break out of this. So I'm still thinking that this is the most likely scenario and the most likely outcome here, that we see here consolidation in that range between $29,000 and $33,600, and then we see here a nice move back to the upside and continue our run here. But obviously this can take until June before we actually see this, and we have then to live with the losses here in the altcoins. When we look here right now, how much the altcoins are losing, it's insane. Look at this here. Ape lost 30%, Luna still 79%, FTM 30%, Gala 28%. So it's insane, but it also gives great buying opportunity, guys. We should not disregard this. This is amazing for buying right now. So, and like I said, I accumulate as much as I can here in the immediate short term. So, and if you also want to do this and you want to take some bonuses at the same time, don't forget on BYBIT, if you sign up with my link, you still get $4,050 in free bonuses plus 0 maker fees on leverage trades with my link. On BYBIT, $3,000 and 15% discount on fees. On Phemex, $4,100, and on PrimeXBT, $7,000 on your deposit with my promo code. So in the total, it's $18,150 in bonuses. But I can tell you, at least in my Signals channel, there we make good money right now. We are shorting, we are longing. If you also want to make money in this volatile market, then go here to this link to join my paid Signals group. There we still make money regardless if we are going up or we're going down. So, and that's really nice. Guys, that was a really quick update today. So maybe you can see I'm not feeling so well because of the loss that I endured here, or let's say the crash of my portfolio that I had to take here, the $2 million. Yeah, but still, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this content. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and I hope there will be a better day tomorrow.